Good afternoon, parents. Earlier, I had asked if you could add your student's name next to your profile, and the way I wanted you to do this is actually going up here to your profile name, and then you click down on your profile name right there. You go to account settings, and then within account settings, well, I've already got mine done there. You actually click on that pencil, and by clicking on the pencil, it would allow you to make any changes to your profile name. It's within that profile name that I would appreciate it if you put in parentheses the name of your student. For example, if my son or student is Ricky, then I'm going to add Ricky to that profile name. And then I'm going to come down here, save the changes. And once I've saved it, then Ricky's name should appear next to my profile name, which will be your profile name. Now, the reason for me asking you to do this is because I've got close to 100 students. So whenever I receive a message from you, I want to be able to know which student you're referring to. So if you could please take care of this for me, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.